Okay, everyone, all fire alarm pull stations that are visible to the public need stopper covers with built-in alarms over them to keep people from pulling fire alarms for fun. Especially in public schools, because in public schools there are kids that like to pull the fire alarm because they don't want to go to class. They want to get out of a test. They want to do it for fun. They want to do it for a prank. And they want to scare people. All of those reasons are not acceptable reasons to pull the fire alarm. So, stopper covers are a must in public schools, especially in the student hallways, the cafeteria, the gymnasium, and in the classrooms. Even in the main office and in areas where students are not allowed to be in to protect the alarms. But especially in areas where students are populated, and especially in elementary schools. Stopper covers serve two purposes. They protect the alarms, and if somebody is trying to pull the fire alarm without a fire or without authorization, and they lift the cover, an alarm goes off. Now, not an alarm in the building, just right there at the cover. So, you and everyone around you will hear "ah," and that person will either run away or put it back because there is a lot of attention drawn. So, you can't just go up and pull the fire alarm. Now, when there is a real fire, make sure you lift the cover and you pull the box on the inside. Only lifting the cover does not cause the fire alarm system to activate. That alarm on the cover is there to deter pranksters from pulling the fire alarm for fun. Bye.